It's fascinating how our skin changes as we get older. But what about our hands? That's exactly what we're talking about today. How to reduce wrinkles, blemishes, and dark spots, and how to lighten and rejuvenate your hands so they look youthful again. No more old, wrinkly, spot covered hands. And the best part? The solution is right in your own kitchen. Yes, most people already have these ingredients at home, but the magic happens when we combine them in the right way, allowing them to work together for maximum results. Let's start with extra virgin olive oil. This oil is packed with monounsaturated fatty acids, especially oleic acid, which deeply moisturizes and nourishes the skin by penetrating its natural lipid barrier. It keeps your skin soft, supple, and hydrated while reducing dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin E, polyphenols, and powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, calm redness and irritation, and promote an even skin tone. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, keeping it deeply hydrated. And that hydration is key to maintaining elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Honey is also rich in flavonoids and phenolic acids, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, protect against oxidative damage, and slow down premature aging. This means fewer dark spots and fine lines. But honey doesn't stop there. It has antibacterial and healing properties thanks to compounds like hydrogen peroxide and methyl glyoxal. These help keep your skin clean, clear, and free from blemishes while promoting an even skin tone. Next, lemon juice, a powerhouse of vitamin C or ascorbic acid. It's essential for collagen production, which supports skin structure, firmness, and elasticity. Lemon's citric acid gently exfoliates, breaking the bonds between dead skin cells, encouraging fresh cell turnover, and revealing brighter, more radiant skin. It even helps lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And then there's sugar, nature's gentle exfoliant. It sweeps away dead skin cells from the surface, smoothing texture, reducing dullness, and uncovering the healthy new cells beneath. What makes this elixir truly remarkable is how all these ingredients work together. Now, I'm going to share this powerful hand rejuvenating elixir with you along with step by step instructions so you can start using it immediately. You will need 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, preferably raw and organic, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, freshly squeezed is best, 1 teaspoon sugar. Combine all ingredients in a small bowl and mix until fully blended. Apply the mixture to your hands, gently massaging for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing especially on areas with spots or dryness. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. For best results, use this elixir 2 to 3 times a week. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice remarkable changes in your skin. Your hands will look and feel softer, smoother, and visibly younger. It's results that will truly excite you. But remember, there are a few additional tips you must follow to get the absolute best outcome. Use sunscreen daily. When you're out in the sun, always protect your skin. Choose SPF 30 or higher to shield against UV damage. Moisturize regularly. Keep your hands soft and supple with a rich hand cream. Apply often, especially after washing your hands. Wear gloves when needed. Protect your hands during household chores. Avoid hot water. Use lukewarm water instead, as hot water strips away natural oils and causes dryness. Exfoliate weekly. Gently remove dead skin cells once a week for smoother, fresher looking hands. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water every day to maintain skin moisture from the inside out. Apply hand masks. Use nourishing masks weekly for deep hydration and rejuvenation. Eat a skin-friendly diet. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil in your meals. Cut back on refined sugar and processed foods. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both can speed up skin aging and reduce skin health.